Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, of course, another wig review, and we're back. It's going to be on this unit that I'm wearing right here. Now this unit did not come intact, so in a little clip right here I'm going to be showing you exactly what came with it. But it came with the 4x4 closure. That was an 8-inch. It came with an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 20-inch bundle. The bundles were really thick. It's a lot of bundles. Like I used the full 10, I used some of the 8, and I used some of the I used the full 12, I used some of the 10, and I used some of the 8-inch. So it was a lot of hair on the weft, so that's always a good thing. But me personally, I don't like my wigs to have a lot of hair. I don't like a big density wig. And me, I was sitting here putting gluing it on like super close, and I'm like, Chastity, wait a minute, like you don't even like thick wigs, so get it together. So of course, like every video that I do, we're gonna have a quick install portion. This wig was very complicated to work with, and you guys are gonna see that, but as you can see, we got it together. This is the best I could do. So I will see you guys after the install portion. I hope you enjoyed the install portion just as much as I enjoyed doing it, even though it was a really big task for me. Some of the stuff that did come with these bundles is it came with these 2 hooks in case you wanted to do like adjustable straps, and it came with ponytails, and of course it came with wig caps as well. So the typical stuff. Oh, and lashes. It came with lashes too. So that's like the typical stuff that they come with. This is from a brand called TTHAIR. They reached out to me to do a review on some hair, and of course I accepted because I'm doing a video. So they sent me their Brazilian body wave. It was definitely a body wave, but when I put the bundles in, I had them going all which way, so they really didn't, like, you know. And just to let you guys know, body wave is not a real curl pattern, it's created. So this is technically straight hair, but the body wave is always created. They say that it is Swiss lace closure 9A best quality virgin hair for black women. I'm just reading off the description. Do I feel like this is probably 9A hair? Maybe. It could be. It could be. I'm getting more like 6, 7A vibes from this, but nonetheless the hair is still good. And when I tell you guys the price, you're not gonna believe it. You're really not gonna believe it. This was $31.99. It is on here for $31.99. So, and if you think I am lying, I'm gonna show it to you guys. You see it right there. It says $31.99 for an 8-inch closure, an 8-inch bundle, 10 and 12-inch bundle. So I am not lying about that one. That's exactly what it says. So let's go over some pros that I've mentioned and some cons that I noticed. So the pros of this is that the wefts are so long. Like, it's so much hair on it. Like, I basically didn't use a whole bundle, but I did, if that makes sense. So it's a lot of hair. So this is like all the hair. I'm gonna show you guys all the hair that I have left. So this is the 8-inch, and then this is what I have left of the 10-inch. So it's a lot of hair. I think I might use that to like create a bang when I like do my bun that I'm planning on doing, because I'm gonna relax my hair soon, because I tried to do the natural thing one last time and it's just not working out for me. I don't like it at all. So your girl is getting relaxed there. Anyways, enough of me babbling on about my life and all this stuff that's going on. The closure was definitely easy to work with as far as like laying it down. I do have a part in there, but you really can't see it. But I did not bleach these knots. I actually just used lace tint. This is the lace tint that we use, and I got it in a light warm brown, which I definitely can go darker, but this is all they had, and I knew I could improvise with that versus not getting it at all. So that's what we came up with. Very, very lightweight, and that's because of the inch. Like, you know, me personally, I'm not a short inch type of girl. I like my bundles, I like my inches, you know. So, but this is still cute. I definitely would rock this. I'm probably gonna rock this a little bit longer than just the video. So another pro is that it was not a lot of shedding. The shedding that I did get is actually from me cutting the wefts and that extra hair that, you know, usually comes with this. So that was a good thing. I did use the hot glue gun method to make this wig quick and easy, and I'll be doing another video with different hair showing you guys exactly how I do the hot gun glue method. I did not sew down the closure. So for the closure, I just glued it down because I did not have like the time to actually sew it down. I'm busy like a lot, and I do a lot of stuff, so I didn't have the time to do that, of course. But all in all, it's still snug on my head, and I used one of those weaving caps. It's still snug on my head. It still fits good. The closure wasn't as snug. It wasn't pulled as tight, so I did go in with my got to be glued gel, not the spray but the gel. I personally like the gel better because when I use the spray, I feel like it's like pulling on my head. So I did use that just to soften it down a little bit. I did go on the hairline and add just a little bit of foundation because the lace tint is lighter than me in my scalp, so it just to make it look at least a little bit more realistic, that's what I did. So that's pretty much all that I have about this unit. It's very, 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 very affordable. You're getting your money's worth. You're really getting your money's worth because this is like some cheap ass priced hair. Like, the hair is so cheap, like so cheap, it's ridiculous. But it makes you wonder, like, you guys enjoyed everything. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, just give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye.